Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. So, today we are going to do chapter number 2, topic Neha's alarm clock. Pages we will do 10 to 50. And today we will do some questions and their answers. Okay, so now first we should know about difficult words. There are some difficult words. So, let's start. First, snuggles. Snuggles means getting into a warm and comfortable position. Second, mutters means speak in a low voice. Speak in a low voice to complain. Okay. Third is window sill, the bottom part of the window. A shelf below a window can be inside or outside. Okay. Fourth is relax. Relax means free from tension or calm down. Okay, so these are your difficult words. So you have to write these difficult words in your notebook and you have to learn it. Okay. Okay, now reading is fun. Write the correct answer. So what we have to write the correct answer. So the first question is, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? So what time that? Yes, 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. So here we take right. What did the bird say? What bird said? Sleep on, wake up, go and play. So they say wake up. So here we take right. Okay. Move to the next. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? What is that? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. Yes, our body clock is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day. So here we take yes. Okay. So here put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. So these are jumbled words. So we have to unjumbled these words. Okay. So first is already done. It's ILESM. So what will make this? Smile. So here this is done. Smile. Now what is this? MRALA. So इससे कौन सा वर्ड बनेगा? Alarm. 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 Okay. Now this clock. What? Clock. So you have to unjumble these words. So this is norming means morning. Okay. Now this EDORNS में इसका क्या होगा? स्नोट. वॉडविन इसका होगा विंडो. Now I have unjumbled these words. Okay. So you have to practice these jumbled words. Okay. Now move to the next page number 11. Let's listen and talk. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. So these are the sounds you can discuss with your friends. That what are the sounds that you hear when you come up to school. So now okay, now you people are not coming to school because of the COVID-19. So you can yourself discuss among your friends on phone that what are the sounds that you hear in surroundings, right? right, that may be the sound of traffic, birds um, chirping, or any birds chirping, or any other sound. So um, this you should do, so you should do it yourself, okay? Like girls sounds you heard, chit chat, some friends are said chatter patter, sounds you heard, this droom droom, some is saying they brew brew, okay? So you have to write their sounds, okay, which you heard, and your friends what said about these sounds, okay? So you have to write there, okay? So this should you do it yourself, okay? Now, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep, or so you have to answer this, will you continue to sleep? क्या तुम सोते रहोगे? नो, मैं तो क्या करूँगी, आई विल wake up on my own. I will wake up my own, okay? Third is, what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? So here you have to tell that the time, the different ways of knowing the time during the day. So here you can say wristwatch, wall clock, mobile phone, okay? So here you can know the time during the day. So students, in the olden time, how when clocks were not there, wristwatches were not there, how people they used to find out that what time is it? So there they know with the position of sun, they used to what time it is, जो सन की पोजीशन होती थी कि तो उससे उनको पता चलता था कि कब सुबह हुई है, कब दिन और कब शाम, ओके? Now page number 12, word building. Find the hidden words: mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. So here you have to find out these words and circle them. Like first is mother, so you have to find this words mother. So here this already circled it for you. So here is mother. So like this you have to circle MOTHER, mother, okay? Now next is bird. So here B, here is this. So now we have to circle this, okay, like this, okay? So you have to do it yourself. Clock, where is clock? Here is it, CLOCK. So now we have to circle clock. Now alarm, here is alarm, ALARM, alarm. Happy, where is happy? Here, HAPPY. So now we have to circle it, okay? Next is hungry. In your first line you can see hungry, okay? Now morning, where is morning? Morning, here in last line, morning, okay? Now next, holiday. So here it is holiday. So we have to circle these words like this, okay? Hungry, here is hungry. and Sunday, Sunday is there. Okay, so you have to find out these words, okay, and circle it. Now say aloud. So these are rhyming words. So say with me: ought, bought, caught. Again, ought, bought, caught. Matter, chatter, setter. Matter, chatter, shatter. Tick tock, tell told. Train time, tick tack. Tip tin, take toll. Now move to the next. Let's write. So who said these words and to whom? So here some dialogues here. So we have to write who said to whom. So wake up dear, wake up fast. So who said this? Who said this? Yes, birds. To whom? Neha. Ma, who woke me up today? So, who said this? Neha. To whom? Her mother. Okay. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? So, who said this? Mother. To whom? Neha. Okay. Now move to the next. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. So here is the help box. So we have to use was and were, and we have to fill these blanks with was and were. Okay. So was and were are the past form of the verbs, and whenever there is singular subject we write was, and if the subject is subject, what this these are subjects. If the subject is plural we will write were. Got it? So now let's begin. सिंगुलर मीन्स होता है एक व्यक्ति, जो एक हो. प्लूरल मीन्स होता है बहुत सारे, एक से अधिक. ओके. सो राम डैश अ गुड फुटबॉल प्लेयर. सो हेयर राम इज सिंगुलर. बिकॉज राम इज सिंगुलर, सो वी विल राइट was. Okay. B, the cows dash grazing in the field. So now cows is plural, बहुत सारी गाय है. तो now we will write here were. My toys, toys are plural, so here we will write were. My toys were broken. Her frock क्या है? सिंगुलर है, एक फ्रॉक है. तो हर फ्रॉक वॉज टू लॉन्ग. द मार्केट वॉज क्लोज. सो हेयर वन मार्केट की बात हो रही है, एक मार्केट. ओके. द चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल वर्ब है, मतलब बच्चे. तो हेयर वी विल राइट वर. द फ्लावर्स केप्ट इन ए वास. तो फ्लावर्स प्लूरल है, तो हेयर वी विल राइट वर. ओके. So here your questions answer is over. I hope you have understood these questions answer. So you have to write this questions answer and learn it. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.